Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make base-free Angara Chicken Naga from scratch. This Angara Chicken Naga dish will definitely blow your mind. A hot spicy curry with fantastic smokiness infused using the ancient Dhungar method. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. And if you fancy supporting what I do on the channel, then please consider checking out the new YouTube super thanks. In a bowl, add the meat, yoghurt, coriander powder, lemon juice, Kashmiri chilli, garlic paste, chilli powder, cumin powder, salt, garam masala and turmeric. Mix through well to ensure everything is well combined, then cover and leave in the refrigerator for around an hour, the longer the better. When ready, heat the oil on a medium heat and add the black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Give them a stir and allow them to heat up for a while. When you see little bubbles forming around the hard spices, add the sliced onions, give them a good stir and cook until the onions turn soft and golden brown. Add in the garlic, ginger, green chilies and crushed pepper and fry for 30 seconds. If at any times things look like they're sticking, just add a little hot water and mix through. Now it's time for the watered down tomato paste. Stir through and allow to fry for 30 seconds to reduce the bitterness. Add back the marinated meat along with the marinade sauce and continue to fry on a medium heat for a couple of minutes, stirring frequently so it doesn't stick at the bottom. Add the boiling water and stir well, then add the almond powder and sugar. Stir through and cook until you see the oil floating on top. If you don't want to bite into hard spices in the finished dish, it's ideal to remove them whilst the dish is reducing, as they float to the top nicely. When the dish is reduced to your liking and the meat is cooked through, turn off the heat and stir through the Naga pickle if using. Now for the fun part. To add that awesome smoky taste, place a small piece of charcoal directly over a gas flame. When it turns white, place a metal bowl or aluminium foil in the curry and add the charcoal with tongs into the centre of the bowl. Drizzle over some oil or ghee and immediately put the lid on the pan and let it smoke for 1 to 3 minutes. Remove the lid, the charcoal and tinfoil and stir through well. Serve decorated with some fresh chopped chilies. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.